The most common question that I get is how to make my portfolio as strong as possible and what's missing. It's never too early to come to portfolio day. You don't have to have like a finished portfolio or a lot of work. You might not even have anything to show. You can still come and participate in the tours that we give. We give presentations. There's people from all over the school to talk about their department or what they do here. So there's a lot to learn and do, even if you don't have a portfolio that's ready to go. And if you do have a portfolio that's ready to go, that you're about to submit, it's still valuable to come and just get some final advice. I think the main thing that a student learns in the critique is how to take their interests and expand it outwards a little bit. Give yourself as many different materials as you can get to experiment with. Well, what would happen if you did that same approach but with a different material? And a good way to branch out of what you're doing now is to go to the library and get as many art books as you can, see what's interesting to you, try to emulate it, try to put your own spin on something. So the more material that you can get for yourself, whether that's a physical material that you're working on or reference material, things that you're looking at and input, the kind of richer you're gonna make your art and craft and design. Here at NSCAD, because it's a very multidisciplinary program, particularly in the first year, we want to see exploration. So there really isn't like a one answer to what makes a strong portfolio. But in a portfolio review, what we try to do is help each student make their work as strong as possible, as diverse as possible, but tailored to them and to what their interests are.